All right, we're going to put a Pro Beam turn signals on the back of a 19 Street Glide. Custom Dynamics Pro Beams. Really easy to do. Get you lined up there. Take a screwdriver and you've got a right there where you can get a screwdriver to pry that out. Won't cause any damage. Remove the bulb. Take your new LED component here, put it in, twist it. I like to take and just give these a little bit of a twist so that wire goes all back behind it. Put it in there even. Make sure that the notch is on the bottom so it don't get water in it. That's it. That's all it takes. I'm gonna turn them on. Piece of cake. If you're driving, if you're riding a street glide or something with these here two little lights, I would recommend you get something that's brighter than them incandescent bulbs. Be seen out there. But cat's out.